I work at home, and I suspect that a lot of people do, and I also have a lot of respect for your time. So I'm going to get on with it and explain to you one of my favorite rice recipes that is so easy to make. Are you ready? Let's go. The truth is, there aren't that many people who don't like rice. And for this recipe, I use a half a cup of jasmine rice. And of course, different people like different kinds of rice. I happen to like jasmine. I put it into a bowl and I rinse it well. I do. The bowl happens to be the rice bowl in a Black & Decker 1-cup rice cooker. After I rinse the rice well, I allow it to soak. That's right, I allow it to soak for 30 minutes, and that's my secret. And just a gentle little reminder that I'm an advocate for people using cooking as a creative outlet. That is, be creative when you cook. Be creative. The two main ingredients, other than the rice, of course, happens to be carrot and onions. As for seasoning, a dash of salt and black pepper, and I use a teaspoon of soy sauce. As for the amount, well, it all depends on your own taste. Now, the water, it's just about a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch above everything. When you live alone, this little 1-cup rice cooker is a dream because it's fast. So, within a few minutes, it's ready, and that's what it looks like. Delicious. So, to recap, a teaspoon of onions, a teaspoon of carrot, 1/2 cup of rice, and just enough water to cover it all, about a 1/4 inch above it all. And in a few minutes, we have this, okay? I happen to like butter on my rice, and I happen to like soy sauce on my rice. So for all my cooking recipes, I'll almost always add an additional amount of soy sauce and butter. Bon appetit!